Hi, my name is Carrie Doherty and I'm the fourth grade teacher here at All Saints Academy. In fourth grade, we have 15 students this year, which is a wonderful number because it allows me to differentiate instruction to each of the kids' academic levels. In math, we're working currently on long division. We just wrapped up with a multiplication unit. And going forward, we'll be working on fractions, decimals, and finish up with some geometry. We do a lot of hands-on in math, we play a lot of games, and this really helps the kids to master the concepts that we're learning. In science, we are currently working on human body systems, and we've also done a lot of fun projects in science with that. We've made brain hats, where the kids have learned about the lobes of the brain and the functions that they perform. In social studies, we just wrapped up a unit on the Revolutionary War, and we had a lot of fun with that. We have a lot of great historians in our class with a lot of knowledge. In religion, we follow the liturgical calendar, and the kids learn about the seasons of the Catholic Church. We just finished with Advent, and now we're working on the 10 Commandments, which is a great way to incorporate social emotional learning as well.